Morning to night na naman kami, pero at least natapos na. Balik tayo sa shop. Final assemble tayo. Goods na. Alright guys, so it's early morning again. Never pa kami nakauwi. Pareho pa rin yung damit ko. Sobrang tagal namin doon sa 350 na transmission. Okay, so at least ngayon, no, neutral siya. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth. Fifth. 4, 3, 2, neutral. Solved after 1 million times. Alright, so kakarating lang namin sa shop. Galing kami kay Shangyao kagabi. Kulang pa kami lahat sa tulog. Ako wala talagang tulog, mga 30 minutes lang. Kasi etong camshaft, pina-UPS ko. Daming problema. Halos hindi ma-deliver today. Ano na ngayon, ilang araw na lang sa race day. 4 days to race day na lang. Kakarating lang ng cams. So, gasket, andito na. Lock. Saka head, andito na rin, naka-ready na. So, kakabit na lang namin to. Nasarado naman namin to last time. Ito yung sa KTM 350 ni Rowan. So, gagawin namin ngayon. Tapos, dadino. Tapos, habang nagdadino sila, tulog muna ako. Sige. So, ito yung lumang piston. Original na 350. Ito ngayon, bago. Pareho pa rin yung size kasi etong motor ni Rowan, pinagbawalan ako mag-modify sa NGO. Dapat standard CC lang, bawal mag-bigcore, bawal gawin yung stroke up. Basically super stock labas na ito. Tapos kakarera sa super open. Gano'ng kahirap yun. Pero wala tayong choice kasi racer tayo. Gusto natin kumarera. Yun lang yung way na i-allow nila tayo. Hindi wala tayong choice. So, eto siya ngayon. Asimpulin ko lang. Tapos, lumit na kaagad lang. Tayo na. So, eto na. Nakakapit na yung piston sa block. Nakapit na yung isang piston pin lang. Bago na yung gasket. Dito. So, nakapit na rin siyang M. Hindi ko na kaya. Walang tulog. Hindi na ito makapit. Nakapit na ni Chang yung piston pin lang sa kabila. Gasket. Okay na lahat. Ayan o, naka-maker na kaagad o, pagbili mo. Pwede na, Amerikano na nag-maker. So, eto ngayon, mag-check kami ng valve flat, valve clearance. Kasi bago yung camshaft, kailangan palitan yung mga shims. Okay, so eto, kakatapos lang nila mag-cleaning. Ginawan lahat, custom cut na shims para perfect lahat ng valve clearance, exact same per side. So, na-pre-oil ko na din. Kakabit na natin yung camshaft. Tapos torque mo to 7 and then 40.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So again, morning to night na naman kami, pero at least natapos na. Balik tayo sa shop, final assemble tayo. Goods na.
Inside. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Yan, so kakarating lang namin dito sa shop. It's 8:29. So mag-assemble na naman kami galing kay Chang Miao. Assemble ulit. Continue. So guys, last na disassemble na to hopefully. Tapos pagbalik namin assemble, andar na. Okay, so ito, malinis na, inabit na ni Chang M. Ito yung ginawa namin kanina doon sa shop ni Chang Yao. Manual port to ha. Tignan nyo. Sorry, hindi port, manual valve packet. Medyo lutang na tayo, wala nang tulog. Night kami since last night. Ano na? 9:40 na AM. Alright. Tapos ngayon final 14. Tapos criss-cross opposite pattern. Yan. Tapos review lahat in order. Confirm lang. Wala kang na-miss. Lalo na pag tulad sa akin, kulang sa tulog. So, eto na yung 350. Natatapos lang sana namin mag-assemble. Papaanda rin na sana. Tapos, yung transmission, may problema. Lahat ng gears, naka-neutral. Walang nag-i-engage. Ready na yan lahat. May oil na yan. Everything. Anong oras na? Alas, mga 10:30 na siguro. AM.
Time na nila.
11:10. December 10 na ngayon. Last testing sa Buriram, December 12. Tapos ganito pa. Midnight na ng basically December 11 na. Video pa rin kami dito. Pabuo na kami. Hopefully ito na yung last. Okay na lang. Tinulungan kami nila mga tao nila pumunta sila dito sa shop, nag-volunteer. Tinulungan kami sa transmission. Kinalas lahat. Nakita, in-arrange yung washer sa transmission. So okay na ngayon. Binubuo na. So hopefully wala nang problema. Kasi ang tagal na nito. Tulog na lahat to. Okay, so at least ngayon, neutral siya. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth, fifth, 4, 3, 2, neutral. Solved after 1 million times. Right, so special thanks to BRD for always supporting the team with custom-made radiators for all our race bikes. Yeah. Custom size for all the Team Good Boy race bikes. Always keeps the engine cool. BRD. Alright guys, so it's early morning again. Never pa kami nakauwi. Pareho pa rin yung damit ko. Sobrang tagal namin dun sa 350 na transmission. Basically the whole from morning to night time today. Not even night time. Morning to dawn. Almost mga 16 hours kami sa makina. Isang makina lang. The KTM 350. So, good thing, ayos naman lahat. Walang tukod yung valves and everything. Andito pa yung bike sa dyno. Andito siya. Goods na siya lahat. Okay na lahat. Sobrang ganda ng graph. So, wala nang sa makina, wala nang kailangan gawin for now. The only problem natin ngayon sa team is that wala tayong naging testing before Buriram. We never had a chance anymore. Yung KTM 4 ready na days ago, but we did not have time because we had to do the KTM 3. The NMAX, andito rin yung NMAX. Yan. Obviously, natabi lang yan. Hindi nagawa. Wala. Tinono lang sa dyno. Sinek lang yung AFR. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pulley ko. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung mga flyballs ko. But regardless, final decision, tatakbo namin KTM 4 super open sa 2+4, KTM 3 super open 2+4, dalawang KR ko with Halim, NMAX 195cc. Tatakbo din natin kahit anong takbo, walang pakialam, basta may makita lang yung mga Pinoy, tumakbo yung motor ng gawang Pinoy. So thank you everyone. Pasensya na kung medyo low energy tayo. Lobat na talaga. Lobat na lahat kami. I have never worked this hard on any motorcycles this long ever. But it's racing, kahit yung tuner natin. Wala pa.
Good night.
See, good night na. Very sleepy, very tired, but at least we can go to Buriram and race. So whatever the results may be come race day, I will be happy because it was almost impossible. I thought it was not possible anymore to race in Buriram, honestly. With all the trouble that we had gone through this week. But we're here now, everything's good. We're going racing regardless of results. So I hope all of you guys, especially kayo mga Pinoy, sana proud na kayo. Thank you. See you at Buriram.
Fast lanes, bold dreams in the heart of the night. We never stop. Fast lanes, bold dreams in the heart of the night. We ride together, bringing the heat, feel the light. Good boys on the throttle, no fear in our chase. Feel the beat.
Okay lang yun ko. Oh, kuan siya. Nang show mang wat. Wala sa mga gani. Gasa siyang buot dito.
Chosen few, a team good, boys strong, we're pushing through. Every rev, every shift, we're taking the lead. Fueled by the faith and the fire we need. From the track to the streets, we rise and we fight. Racers with a purpose burning bright through the night. For the dream and the team, we're breaking all chains. Team good boy forever, we're making our names.